Hi everyone, this is Srushti Deshmukh Gowda. I secured rank 5 in UPSC CSAT 2018. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Khan sir and the entire team of the Khan Study Group for completing 15 years, that is the Crystal Jubilee celebration this year. And it is a great moment because I have been a part of this institute. I have studied there and I received tremendous encouragement and support from the faculty members, especially the positive vibes and inspiration that we get from Khan sir, who definitely motivate us to do better in our studies. And I'm sure that in the coming years, till the next 15-30 years, I'm sure that this institute will make a great difference in the lives of the aspirants. I would congratulate you all again on achieving this milestone. Thank you so much.